So in this video we are going to learn what is UGC, how many followers do you need before you become a UGC content creator. All right, do you need to become an influencer and all that. So UGC actually stands for user generated content. Is a kind of content that a content creator create for brands so that they can use it. It could be pictures, it could be videos, it could be just a post, but because we are talking about TikTok, so we are going to be concentrating on videos. All right, so and it does not matter how many amount of followers you have, because as a UGC content creator, mostly it depends on what the brands want. Even though yes, there are some brands that would want, depends on what they really want to get at the end of that video. So maybe like if they are creating a challenge, they would prefer someone that has a longer or more followers. Okay, but for the content that they want to use, it doesn't matter your number of your following. All right, because all they want is someone that can create a video and post it on your own social media, and then you generate a code, which I'm going to show you in the next video, how to generate a code and give to the brand. So that code that you generate on your TikTok app, that you give to them, that they will be using to, so that it will give them license to use that video for, and so on and so forth. So but it's not stopping at that. It depends on your agreement. Okay, so when you are negotiating, you are going to decide if they want it for, if you are giving them the code for 30 days or for 60 days or for 90 days. That is what would determine how much you would charge them at the end of the day.